This is how to join people on Roblox without being their friend. So let's go ahead and open up Roblox. Once you have Roblox opened up, we're going to go and head on over to any game that we'd like. I'm just going to go ahead and go with this one. We're going to scroll down till you see servers right here to locate the person. And we're going to join any one of these servers that we can. Let's go ahead and join this one. Why not? Alright, we're in the game. Let's go ahead and press on escape on our keyboard to pull up everybody's names right here. And as you can see, I'm nobody's friend in this server. So let's go ahead and remember one of these people's names. Let's say I wanted to join a game this person is in. So I'm going to jot their name down. Once I have the person in mind, I'm going to go ahead and press on leave to leave the server. On the left side, we're going to hit this chat box icon right here. We're going to go to search for here. And we're going to search for the person that we'd like. We're going to click on them. I'm going to scroll down and view their full profile. And how you know somebody is in a game is if they have this green controller icon next to their profile. If they have that icon next to their picture, then they're currently in a game. So what you want to do is go and press on add friend, wait for them to accept it, and then you should see a button appear right here that says join their game. And if you like right after, you can unfriend them.